Want to make money while you sleep? In today's video, I'm going to talk about 7 different passive income ideas that you can get started today to make money while you sleep. Now, this intro is going to be less than 30 seconds, so we can get right into the different passive income ideas. The only thing I ask from you all is that you all subscribe to the channel. A lot of you all watch my videos but are not subscribed, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Now, the first passive income ideal that I want to talk about how to make money while you sleep is to literally go to sleep. Yes, you can make money in your sleep by being part of a sleep study. Now, different universities and healthcare providers and mattress brands and hospitals have whole departments dedicated to sleep studies, researching how we sleep and how we get better sleep. And you can actually get paid to be part of these studies. Now, how do you find these studies that you can participate in? There are different websites that you can go on to find these studies, but you can probably just look up different hospitals around your area to see if they have any studies going on. So for example, you can go on a website like Mayo Clinic. It's a hospital in the Ohio area, or if you want to travel over there to get paid for their sleep studies, you can do something like that. Another website is clinicaltrials.gov that you can find different studies that you can be part of a trial. So another study that you can participate that's super popular is looking at Harvard's sleep division. And usually if you just type that into Google, you can find their website and find out more information on how you can be part of their sleep studies. Now, there are different reasons why a particular hospital or university may run a specific type of sleep study. For example, let's say you don't get good sleep. Well, they want to research that. Let's say you do get good sleep. Well, they also want to research that. So there are different studies based off of your age, your weight, the different health issues you may or may not have, and other factors determining which sleep study that you are eligible for. Now, there may be some challenging requirements with the sleep study. Let's say you're used to going to sleep with the TV on or a phone. A lot of these sleep studies don't allow you to do any of that. You have to go to sleep when the facilitators tell you to fall asleep, or try to fall asleep if they're trying to study why people are having bad sleep. Another thing is that it may require you to wear certain devices that may be a little bit uncomfortable, or devices that you're just not used to wearing while you go to sleep. Some pros to a sleep study is that you can also do sleep studies in your own home, or you may have to go to a specific location like a hospital or some sort of facility so they can monitor you. And the price you get paid and the duration may vary based on a specific type of sleep study that they're running. So for example, I'm here on the Harvard website and they have the first one for untreated sleep apnea. So let's say you're struggling with that and you're from the ages of 21 to 70. They have one screening visit about 1 hour. Then you have to stay 4 overnights in their sleep research lab at their hospital, and you receive $400 for this study. Now, if you do have extra time on your hand, like a full month to be part of a sleep study, you can get paid as high as over $6,200 for one of Harvard's sleep studies. So right here, if you're between the ages of 20 to 40, you're a non-smoker, you're healthy, and you're taking no medication, you may be eligible for a 33-day sleep research at their hospital. So you have a 2-week screening period, and you must be willing to spend 33 consecutive days and nights in our facility, and you can receive as much as $6,250 to literally just go to sleep and just having people monitor you going to sleep. Now, I don't know if during the day you can do what you want to do, or they need to see your activity throughout the day, or you just need to go there at night, because that would be awesome. So you can go to work, you can do all your different things that you have to do, and then when the time is assigned for you to go to this hospital, you can just go there. So being part of a sleep study is one way that you can literally make money while you sleep. Now, another way that you can make money passively in your sleep is by renting a spare closet in your house or your apartment. Or let's say you just have extra space in your garage that you're not utilizing. Well, you can actually get paid for those empty spaces in your house or in your apartment, wherever you live. A good website to find information about that, or even to sign up to rent a space, is neighbor.com. So just looking on this website, you can rent out things like your garage, your driveway, your parking lot, basement, bedroom, a shed, shed, a carport, attic space that you're not using, unpaved lot, and different things of that nature. Now, of course, on this specific website, neighbor.com, they have insurance for you, so nothing will be stolen or nothing will be taken away if you give your person or the person renting space from your place or whatever you own access. You're covered, you have liability, you have insurance, you have all of that taken care of. And so even for me, I have a 2-car garage and I only have 1 car, right? And I can utilize that space for people to store certain things. Like, it doesn't even have to be another car. It can be, hey, I just am gone for the summer because I go to this college or university. I need a place to just keep my stuff. Well, I do have a garage that people can use. And so if you have spaces like that in your house or where you live, that's one way that you can literally not really do anything. Just, okay, open the door for someone, let them put their stuff, they contact you when they need their stuff back and things of that nature. And you're not doing much work with that. So that's the second way that you can make money passively in your sleep, is by renting a space. So the third way that you can make money passively in your sleep is by doing this, YouTube. Well, it does take a good amount of work early on to build up your presence online, whether that's through a blog or through a YouTube channel or through Instagram, TikTok. You have to do the research. You have to experiment with different type of niches and topics that you want to bring out into the world, into the interwebs of things. And so that grunt work may take a couple months, it may even take a year or 2, but when you have things going, you can literally make money while you sleep, right? So for example, on this YouTube channel, I am making money from videos that I've made 2-3 years ago. And even if I looked at my top 10 performing videos, a lot of them are videos that I made over 2 years ago, right? I do have some that I made recently that I've been making good money with, but overall, I'm literally going to sleep. Even if I don't make a video that day or I don't publish a video a day, that day is still producing me income and I'm still getting paid by YouTube to make videos. And that's the great part of being a YouTuber, is that some people, if their channel was extremely popular and they have over 10 million subscribers, they can literally stop producing and publishing videos for a year. Yes, their views and the amount of money they make will be going down, but overall, they'll still be making money for another year or 2 or just forever, right? Until like YouTube deletes their channel or no one watches their video ever again, which is not likely. So being a YouTuber is something that is a way that you can make money in your sleep. All right, so the fourth way that you can make money passively in your sleep is by investing in startups. And yeah, you don't have to know anyone specifically. You just have to do a little bit of research, or let's say you're already pretty versed in a specific topic and you want to look at startups in that specific topic that you can invest in, since you already know this topic or you've been working in this specific niche or work field. Well, you can actually invest in that. A website that you can use is republic.com. You can look at different startups on there and you can put in as little money as you want in some projects. Some of them will have higher requirements, some will have lower requirements. And you can look at the specific niches that you want to invest in. Let's say real estate. Well, you can look at real estate startups that are in the tech field that you want to look up, and you can actually put money into it. Now, it is a startup, so you may not see the fruits of your labor until later on, but it's still a way that you could put money in and see it grow, see a company grow much later and actually reap those benefits. The other thing is that you may receive your money much sooner than what you expect, because some companies are just looking for a loan that they're going to pay back month by month or within a year. And so even within a short period of time, like a year, you can make a return on your investment. Some of them, they're in stages like, okay, well, you're going to get equity in this specific company. And when we raise a second round, then you're going to get a payout and then your equity will be this, or, so there's different layers to this that you can look on a website like republic.com that fits your payout criteria, your payout structure that you want to accept, and also the different niches and companies that you want to invest in. Now, the fifth way that you can make money passively while you sleep is just by using apps, right? Just download an app. So Nielsen is a huge company that tracks different data across our smartphones, our computers, and they've been doing that for the past couple of years. And so you might as well just get paid for them doing that. And so with that, you just download an app and they track how you use your phone, the different apps you download, the different things that you use, and just your activity on your smartphone or laptop or tablet, whichever you use. Now, with this type of app, I think you can only make around $50 every 6 months or once a year, but it's one way that you can make money in your sleep. Also, on top of that, they enter you into sweepstakes every single month for prizes up to $10,000 that you can win. So not only do you get paid between $50 and $60 every year, you also have a chance to make even more with cash prizes and other benefits. So if you go to the website computermobilepanel.nielsen.com, you can go sign up, download an app so they can track you. If you guys don't want that because, tracking and everything like that, you don't have to do it, but it's just like all these other apps are essentially tracking you. Google knows your location, what you like and different things of that nature. Why not just get paid for them doing that? But I totally understand the privacy concerns and things of that nature. All right, the sixth way is definitely more of a traditional way that you can make money passively, and it's one of my passive incomes, and that is real estate investing. For example, I have a rental duplex property that I am renting. Now, I did have to do research, do some work up front to find the property. If it needed some updates, I made those updates along the way. But ever since I bought the property, it has been producing me income every single month without me actually doing anything or me necessarily making those improvements, right? Because those checks still came in whether or not I made those improvements. Now, of course, I have a good house and my tenants are living in a good condition property. And so if there's a repair or anything or a maintenance request or anything of that nature, then I get that situated. For example, just a few hours ago, I got a maintenance request from my tenants. So I called the specific people that I need to be there tomorrow, and I'm not going to be there. And so even like the work that needs to be done, it's just a few dials on the phone to find the right people to fix the repairs at my rental property. And so that's what makes it super passive, is that yes, it takes money up front, it takes work to make money, to put down payments or to find a lender in order for them to finance the house. But once that is done and improvements are made on the property, then you could do everything from your computer to manage that property and to receive passive income. So the seventh and final way that you can make money passively in your sleep is by house sitting or pet sitting. So let's say a family is going out of town for a couple of weeks on vacation somewhere or for a work assignment. They need people to do different things around the house while they're gone. Then that's where you come in as a house sitter. And the good thing about being a house sitter is that some of them do not require you to actually stay overnight. Maybe you just need to do something during the day. On top of that, you can also be a pet sitter where you take a dog out, you feed it, wash it, you walk it, and so you do the different things to take care of the dog. A website where you can find opportunities to be a house sitter is a website called trustedhousesitters.com. You can go online, make a profile, and they'll connect you with people around your area that you can house sit for. On top of that, let's say you are looking for a place or apartment. Some of these people who they need to watch over the house are looking for people more long-term or to actually stay overnight. And so you can find an apartment behind a huge mansion, right? And you're living for free essentially. I mean, you're probably getting paid to maintain that house for that specific owner. And so this is a great way to make money while you sleep. If you're actually sleeping at the property, or even if you're at your own home, you just have to do different things. Make sure the light is on here, the light is off here. Maybe you need to start up the car for something in the garage or things of that nature in order to house sit. All right, you all, hope you all enjoyed this video, straight to the point on how to make money while you sleep passively. Comment down below which passive income ideal that you like the best and which one you will try or which one that you are doing right now. All right, once again, you all I ask is that you subscribe down below so you can join this family and we can learn more and more how to make money passively and just personal finance in general. Thank you. Have a great day.